Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy, quick Chicago style pizza dough. And I'm going to be doing this right here in the KitchenAid mixer. We have 3/4 cup of warm bath water, 2 cups of flour, teaspoon of sugar, teaspoon of salt, and a packet of yeast. So we're going to start with getting our yeast going. Cut this open. Put this right in our warm bath water. Now we can mix this up just a little bit. You don't want to be too aggressive because you can kill it. Why I say warm bath water is because if it's too hot, you'll kill it. If it's cold, it won't activate. So you just need to give it a little stir. It's nice and light, kind of give it a little help here. Now you're going to want to let your yeast sit for a while, let that activate. And with the Chicago thin crust pizza, we're not looking for giant volume. We're looking for thin, paper thin crust. And thin crust pizza is like tavern pizza style. Many people don't believe that Chicago pizza is thin crust, but it is. So, let's move this out of the way here. We're going to add in our 2 cups of flour. Add in our sugar, add in our salt. So we need 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to add our yeast in, our warm bathwater yeast. And then we are going to mix. KitchenAid mixer ready to go. I'm going to start this out on low. Let's get this to stir up. Sometimes it's required. You just kind of gotta scrape off these walls a little bit, get everything to fully incorporate into a ball. Make sure you get all these ingredients. You don't want them missing. And then continue. And now when it starts forming like this, you kind of just want to let it go for a few more minutes. If you're doing this without a KitchenAid mixer, you'd have to do this all by hand. You want to knead the dough, mix it, and knead it for a few minutes. But with the KitchenAid mixer, or any mixer that's electric like this, just let it go. take this off of here. Looks nice and mixed. It's good. Feels good. I have a greased bowl here. I'm going to store this in. You just want to shape this to a ball. Nice dough ball. Just kind of work it around. You get a nice ball shape. It's basically just tucked underneath. I'm going to tuck everything underneath. You're going to put that in your bowl there. Put a little oil on top of that. Spread that around. And then leave that like that. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get this bowl covered. You can use plastic wrap, or if you have cover it up. So basically this is what it'll look like. And we're going to let this sit out for an hour to rise. I can already start seeing it rise here. Let's cover this up. Leave it out for about an hour. Alright, we've let this sit for an hour or so. Open them up and see what we got. Hey, they rose. I made two, just so you know. They've risen. So just punch those down. Grab them back out. Some more. Another ball. Make sure we got some oil spread on there. Down in there. Same thing with the other one. Make sure we got some oil spread around there. There we go. And there you have it. We got our dough. So I'm going to cover these back up. I'm going to refrigerate them. And with Chicago pizza, the crusts, they will leave to ferment for at least a day. At least. Most Chicago pizza places do their pizza dough the night before, let them sit out, refrigerate, and then bring them back to room temperature before you make the pizza. So next, I will show you guys how, in the next video, to make sauce and pizza. I'm doing a pizza series here. So I'll see you in the next video.